Imagine a life where your time is your own, where you wake up every morning, not out of obligation, but out of passion. This is the power of financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about never working again. It's about having the freedom to choose how and where you work. It's about aligning your finances with your dreams, so you can live life on your terms. So, what does it take to achieve financial freedom? It starts with a plan. One that's simple, clear, and actionable. Let's break it down. First, know your numbers. Understanding your income, expenses, and net worth is the foundation of financial freedom. Track where your money goes each month. Are you spending on things that bring you joy, or are you trapped by unnecessary expenses? Next, eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial freedom. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, like credit cards, so you can free up more money to save and invest. Once your debt is under control, it's time to save and invest. Start by building an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then, consider investing in assets that grow over time, like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Now let's talk about spending. Spend wisely by prioritizing what truly matters to you. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making choices that align with your values. Do you want to spend on short-term pleasures or invest in long-term happiness? And don't forget to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, investments, or even passive income opportunities. Multiple streams of income provide security and speed up your journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about living a life that's rich in experiences, relationships, and purpose. It's about having the freedom to spend your time on what truly matters. It's a journey that requires discipline, patience, and smart choices. But it's a journey worth taking. Financial freedom is possible for everyone, and it starts with a single step. So what's your next step? Take control of your financial future and live life on your terms.